Ever wondered what balance trainers are and how they can benefit your fitness routine? Balance trainers are dynamic devices designed for a comprehensive workout, enhancing your stability and strengthening your core. They come in various types, each tailored for different fitness levels and goals. So, now that you have an idea about balance trainers, let's dive into the different types. From Bosu balls to wobble boards, the types of balance trainers are diverse. Bosu balls, with their unstable surface, challenge your core muscles, while wobble boards are great for ankle and knee stability. Balance pads, being softer and less stable, provide a gentler challenge for beginners or those in rehabilitation. Balance discs, on the other hand, are versatile tools that can be used standing, sitting, or even kneeling. These different balance trainers can make a significant impact on your fitness routine, but how? Let's find out next. Balance trainers don't just improve balance, they offer a myriad of other benefits. They are the unsung heroes of core strength enhancement, coordination improvement, and joint stability increase. These versatile tools provide a full body workout, engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. But that's not all. Balance trainers also shine in the realm of injury rehabilitation. They gently yet efficiently guide the body back to health, promoting mobility and strength. Balance trainers are more than just a fitness tool. They're a way to enhance your overall health and fitness. Balance trainers, with their different types and benefits, are a game changer for anyone's fitness routine. They add a new dimension to workouts, whether you choose a wobble board, balance pad, or balance ball. The benefits are undeniable: improved coordination, increased core strength, and enhanced body awareness. So why not add a balance trainer to your workout routine and experience the benefits for yourself? Stay fit and keep balancing.